Sue, I think I have big ears, but small understanding. I can't catch what people say in English.
Don't worry, Jake. Listening isn't about ears. It's about training your brain. Let me help you become a better listener.
Then I'm all ears. Literally.
Great. Let's start your listening journey.
When I listen to native speakers, they talk so fast. I understand nothing.
That's very normal, Jake. Listening is hard because people speak with connected speech. Words join together.
Connected speech?
Yes, like, what are you doing becomes, what you doing?
Oh, no wonder I can't catch it.
Exactly. Don't worry. You can train your ears step by step.
But it's so frustrating.
I know, but remember, listening is like building muscles. The more you practice, the stronger you get.
So it's about time and practice.
Yes, and I'll show you how. First tip, start with easy audio.
Easy audio?
Yes, choose slow, clear English, like beginner podcasts, kids' stories, or English songs with lyrics.
But isn't that too simple?
Not at all. It helps your brain learn sound patterns.
Maybe I should stop watching fast movies for now.
Exactly. Don't jump into the deep end first. Build slowly.
Got it. Start simple, then level up.
Perfect. That's how your ears get stronger.
Sometimes I listen only once a week. Is that okay?
It's better than nothing, but daily is best.
Every day?
Yes, even 10 minutes a day helps. Listening every day trains your brain to stay familiar with English sounds.
Like daily exercise for my ears.
Exactly, and you can do it anywhere, on the bus, in the shower, or before bed.
I guess I can listen while cooking, too.
Great idea. Just make English sound part of your life.
Sometimes I stop listening when I don't understand one word.
That's a big mistake. You must listen for meaning, not every single word.
But I panic when I miss something.
Don't panic. Focus on the main idea: who, what, when, where.
Like getting the story, not the dictionary.
Exactly. You don't need 100% understanding. 60 to 70% is great.
That feels easier already.
Relax your mind. A calm listener understands more.
I always watch movies with subtitles. Is that okay?
It's okay, but don't depend on them too much.
Why not?
Because your eyes start working more than your ears.
Oh, that's true.
Here's a trick. First, watch with subtitles, then again without them.
Twice?
Yes! First time to understand, second time to train listening.
That's smart. So my ears learn after my brain knows the story.
Exactly. It's one of my favorite tips. Now, let's talk about shadowing.
Shadowing again? I remember that word from speaking practice.
Yes, it's great for listening too.
How do I do it?
Play a short audio clip and repeat what you hear as close and fast as possible.
That sounds difficult.
It is at first, but it trains your ears to catch pronunciation, rhythm, and stress.
So I become like an echo?
Yes, a smart echo.
I'll try with my favorite English song.
Perfect choice. Songs are fun and rhythmic.
I noticed people from different countries sound so different in English.
Yes, that's called accents. It's good to train your ears to hear many kinds.
But which one should I learn?
Start with one accent, maybe American or British, then slowly listen to others.
Why?
It helps your ears adjust to different sounds. Real-life English has many accents.
I'll start with American first.
Great. Later, you can try British or Australian.
Variety makes you stronger. Here's another great tip: dictation practice.
Dictation?
Yes, listen to a short audio clip, then write down what you hear.
That sounds hard.
It is, but it trains focus. You'll notice sounds, word endings, and connected speech.
So, I write while I listen?
Yes, start with slow audio. Later, try faster ones.
Okay, I'll need a lot of patience.
True, but it's one of the best listening workouts.
I love music. Can I use it to practice listening?
Absolutely. Songs are amazing for learning rhythm and pronunciation.
But singers don't always speak clearly.
That's fine. You can use the lyrics to follow along.
So, I listen, read the lyrics, then sing,
Perfect. You'll remember words and sounds easily.
and I can have fun too.
Yes, fun learning is strong learning.
I feel shy listening to real people talk.
That's okay. Real conversation is the best test for listening.
But they speak too fast.
Try to catch keywords, not everything. For example, if someone says, "Hey, wanna grab lunch later?" Focus on grab lunch. Now you know the topic.
Oh, that's smart. I just need to find the main words.
Exactly. Listening is about understanding ideas, not every sound.
That helps. I'll practice with friends more.
Good. Real talk gives real growth.
I've learned so many tips. But how do I know if I'm improving?
Easy. Keep a listening journal.
Listening journal?
Yes. Write what you listened to, what you understood, and new words you learned.
Oh, that's a great idea.
You'll see your progress over time, and that will motivate you.
I like that. Maybe I'll write, "Today I listened to a podcast about travel."
Perfect. And next week, you'll notice you understand more.
You know, Sue, I think my ears are waking up.
I can tell. You're more confident already.
I used to feel stupid when I couldn't understand, but now I feel excited to practice.
That's the spirit. Listening is not just hearing, it's feeling, connecting, and understanding.
I'll use your tips: daily listening, songs, dictation, and real talk.
And most important, enjoy it. English isn't just a subject, it's a world of voices.
Thank you, Sue. You really helped me hear English differently.
You did the work, Jake. Now, go listen to the world.